Hello guys, there we have a Samsung washing machine80T504DAEA, and today I will show you how to properly refill the detergent row. So, this place with the one, it's for a pre-wash compartment. This is the place where you can apply the pre-wash detergent. This place is for a main wash compartment. Apply main wash detergent, water softener, soaking detergent, bleach or stain removers. The middle place is for a softener compartment. Apply additives such as fabric softener. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.